Good catch.
Haha. I'll make a lot of frittatas. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and every Sunday we have a big family dinner here. If you've ever had homemade pasta, you know just how good it is. We don't usually have leftovers, but this time we did, and I just could not bring myself to throw out the pasta. If you've ever had leftover homemade pasta, you know it's even better the next day, and it's especially good in a pasta frittata. It's like an omelet on steroids. It's got fresh herbs, melted cheese, and the pasta gives it a real bite. For each cup of cooked pasta, add 2 eggs, a clove of minced garlic, 3 ounces of Italian cheese, a 1/4 cup chopped mix of fresh basil and parsley, a pinch of salt, and a couple grinds of fresh ground pepper. Mix this all together and pour it into an oiled, hot, oven-safe skillet. Turn the heat to medium-low and cover. While your frittata is cooking for 3 minutes, go ahead and turn on your broiler. After the 3 minutes is up, uncover the frittata and put it under the broiler until the top is cooked and golden brown. It's cheesy and oh man, this garlic and basil, it smells like Italy. I wish you could smell this. This is a quick little dish you can make for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Remember, if you want to print out this recipe, the link is right below. And if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you next week. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.